Hi everyone, I am Lipi Chandra from IIM Rohtak. As a student, I go to ChatGPT, Google, YouTube, and multiple places. The ads, distractions, and I usually waste a lot of time over there. But not anymore. I came across this all-in-one education platform called teachbetter.ai, and in this quick video, I'll show you how to use teachbetter.ai to study smarter, save time, and learn more efficiently. Let's explore all the tools you'll actually use as a student. First comes the dashboard. It's clean, simple, and very easy to navigate. From here, you can access all the AI tools, simulations, and recent work that you've worked upon. Let's come to one of the most important AI tools, that's Notes Generator. Over here, I can select the type of notes, subject, say mathematics, topic, say partial differentiation, I can select the grade, let's say undergraduate. I can also select the curriculum and also upload references and add any other details if I want to, and I click generate. Boom! Here are my notes. So fast, so easy, so time saving. And also there's this feature where I can export it to PDF, Word, or even a presentation. Now let's go to the next AI tool we have, that is Concept Explainer. Don't understand a topic? Use Concept Explainer to get simple explanations with examples, steps, and real-life applications. It's ideal for subjects like economics, accounts, maths, and science. We come to Doubt Solver. Even if it's a tricky maths problem or a complex science solution, it has got solution for any doubt that you have. I can easily enter my doubt or even upload a picture of my doubt over here. I select the subject. I choose the preferred answer format, like I want it in an essay format or or a short answer format. Then I have additional choices and any other details that I want to add, and boom, the doubt is solved. So easy to use and so handy for students. The next AI tool that we have is Presentation Generator. For assignments or group projects, use this presentation generator to create slide decks instantly with explanations and visuals. I personally have 3 presentations pending, and this is really such a help. Let's try making one. Say the presentation topic is money. Let the target audience be the professor. I select the tone, that is formal. Number of slides 5, slide content depth, let it be balanced. I can also upload a reference document. We have engagement ideas to include, like I want to include real world examples. I can also take reflection ideas to include. I also have additional details if I want to add. And this is with such few clicks, I can generate a presentation with images inbuilt, content top notch, and it also attaches a YouTube video for reference at the end. Crazy, right? Coming to the next AI tool, we have YouTube Video Analyzer. You just simply paste the link and you can give a command of either making a summary, key points, or marking the important definitions, or a multiple choice question paper or a mixed question paper. No need to watch a 20-minute video just to revise. Now let's come to simulations. TeachBetter.ai also includes interactive simulations across subjects like physics, maths, science. I used to struggle a lot during my 10th standard for the light chapter. And when I discovered simulations, I realized that it actually helps students visualize how science concepts are actually applied in real life. And that is what makes learning more fun and more practical. Now let's come to the My Content library. Everything that you create, notes, quizzes, flashcards, presentations, or summaries, they get saved in the My Content library. This becomes your personalized, organized study vault for easy revision anytime. And that's teachbetter.ai, your complete AI-powered study partner. Use the notes generator, text translator, YouTube video analyzer, presentation generator, web search assistant, and many more AI tools to learn faster and more effectively. Log in, explore, and upgrade the way you study.